So what is myrtle essential oil used for? And this is myrtle is a wonderful old world healing plant with a lot of tradition to it and a lot of culinary applications. And we go into all that in our healing herb course on it, how you can be making use of it in your kitchen, how you can be making use of it more deeply as a medicine. Here I want to talk about Myrtis communis. That is the Western variety. That is the variety that is used to make the essential oil. The Eastern traditional Chinese medicine version, which is Rhodomitris tomentosa, is not used to make an essential oil. It's a little bit more blood building. Both herbs have similar overlapping properties. They're both in the Myrtaceae family, so you can feel this, connective connection between the two of them. And I want to just share you here so keep our focus. We're looking at myrtle, which is Myrtis communis. And this is one that's going to be used externally, not really used internally because it can get toxic. But it's used for treating skin conditions, acne, boils, hemorrhoids, bruises, wounds, very, very good for all that. And as an inhalant, it's wonderful for calming anxiety, nervousness, relieving hysteria, countering emotional effects of stress, including insomnia. Lovely to kind of have in the background. It contains a compound called linalool, and that, of course, is an essential oil that has a nice sedating property to it. It also contains peonine, which, is in pine, and it's also wonderfully known for being very good for, as a liniment for joint pain, arthritis, menstrual cramping. The essential oil is also very good for sort of opening up the lungs, so it can help relieve asthma, coughing, wheezing, things like that. There's two kinds you want to know about. One is red myrtle. It's higher in a compound known as cineol, and the green, which is higher in peonine. So a little bit of a nuance there. They're both from the same plant, so you don't need that worry you at all. Do be aware that lemon myrtle essential oil, that's an entirely different plant. That comes from Bacchausia citriodora. Different. Not Myrtis communis. That's the one we're talking about here. So there you go. A little bit about myrtle as an essential oil. Join me in the Healing Herb course on myrtle to find out more about this amazing herb. It has a lot of unexpected applications that really can make a difference to your health. And because you can use it in the kitchen, you got a fun way of kind of sneaking this one in and getting a little more biodiversity into your diet and taking advantage of its powerful healing properties.